To bend, to distort, to deform. Déformer, déformer, déformer. To bend, to distort, to deform. Déformer, déformer, déformer. To counter. Contrer, contrer, contrer. To counter. Contrer, contrer, contrer. To unthread, to parade. Défiler, défiler, défiler. To unthread, to parade. Défiler, défiler, défiler. To fight, combattre, combattre, combattre. To fight, combattre, combattre, combattre. To approach, approcher, approcher, approcher. To approach, approcher, approcher, approcher. To compose, to dial. Composer, composer, composer. To compose, to dial. Composer, composer, composer. To burst, to puncture. Crever, crever, crever. To burst, to puncture. Crever, crever, crever. To resign, démissionner, démissionner, démissionner. To resign, démissionner, démissionner, démissionner. To last, durer, durer, durer. To last, durer, durer, durer. To set free, to rid, to relieve. Délivrer, délivrer, délivrer. To set free, to rid, to relieve. Délivrer, délivrer, délivrer. To capture, to catch. Capturer, capturer, capturer. To capture, to catch. Capturer, capturer, capturer. To breathe in, to inhale, to aspire to. Aspirer, aspirer, aspirer. To breathe in, to inhale, to aspire to. Aspirer, aspirer, aspirer. To cancel, annuler, annuler, annuler. To cancel, annuler, annuler, annuler. To go at fiercely and unrelentingly. S'acharner, s'acharner, s'acharner. To go at fiercely and unrelentingly. S'acharner, s'acharner, s'acharner. To tear up, to tear, to rip. Déchirer, déchirer, déchirer. to tear.